If you're working hard, taking responsibility, and still feel like the results don't match the effort, this is for you. The Leader's Edge is not personal development. It's a leadership and business operating system for people inside organizations who want real results, not just good intentions. Business owners, executives, managers, and team leaders use this system and install systems, upgrade skills, and operate with clarity and consistency. Most people don't struggle because they don't care. They struggle because they're operating without structure. They're relying on effort instead of systems, and over time leads to burnout, frustration, and stalled growth. I built the Leader's Edge to fix that. Inside this program, we have live leadership and business training, weekly execution focused coaching, individual leadership assessments, full business audits, and on demand support through Coach Rich AI. This isn't theory, it's hands on application to your role, your team, and your business. There are only two reasons that people don't take action: they don't know how or they don't want to. If you don't know how, we give you the pathway. If you don't want to, we give you the standard. If you're ready to stop drifting, install systems, and operate at a higher level, personally and professionally, step into the Leader's Edge. I'll see you on the inside.